Dollars on fleek, bitch, ain't talking about heat.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa here in the flesh, and I am back to give you guys a brand new video. I haven't recorded for a while because I was waiting on this package right here. It's the Shayla by ColourPop Proceed with Caution collection number 2. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that I love Makeup Shayla, and I loved her first collaboration with ColourPop. I use it in a lot of my tutorials, so I thought, why not go ahead and get this baby right here. I've never opened it up, so I'm going to be opening it up on camera, and I'm excited. I've already placed my brows, added a little bronzer and foundation to the cheeks, but other than that, the whole collection is going to be on my face today. Let's go ahead and jump right into the collection. This is how it looks when it's fresh out of the PR package, and it's super cute. I'm so excited about this. I ordered this April 27th and it's May the 9th, and I'm just now getting my package. So your girl has been waiting and checking the mailbox every day. This is how it looks. I'm so excited. I love that they come with a mirror, so it's perfect for traveling, and these are the shades, guys. I'm super duper excited. One reason why I really wanted to get this palette is because Culture is my ultimate transitional shade, and she put it in the palette again, which I thought was super duper amazing. So we're just gonna play with this first, and I'm gonna go straight into Culture because I'm doing it for the Culture, and I'm just going to just throw that into my crease like so, kind of bringing it up to the brow bone. I love this palette. The formula is really nice, especially for an affordable palette. It's super cute and just very small, perfect for traveling when you're on the go. Like, I like to use my stuff, y'all. Like, as soon as I get it, I'm playing in it because I really love the collaboration that Makeup Shayla does, and I always pick up her stuff because I know it's gonna be good. And then what I'm going to do is pick up Maintenance right here with that same brush, and I'm going to just concentrate this in my crease area just to add some dimension to the eyes. I can tell that this palette is about to be my go-to for the summertime. Like, I'm just so here for all of the warm, you know, rustic tones. Where is my good blender brush? Jesus. This is a MAC 224 that I switched to. All right, so this is kind of like, it's not like Revenge from the palette. It's a little bit more plum, which I really love. So this palette will take you from summer to fall. I can see it. But we're still in summer, so I'm gonna stay there. I like Gloves On. That's a pretty color as well. I'm gonna just throw that in to the mix. Just like black. So yeah, we're gonna keep it concentrated on the outside. But I will say the fallout is very minimal for this shade. And right now I'm just kind of placing it on my outer corners because I really like an outer corner smoky eye. And then I'm going to take this brush and kind of just blend that into my crease. I'm so in love with this black. This shade is called Gloves On. Super pretty, and it just takes your look so dramatic. That's why I love Makeup Shayla. I just feel like she knows what looks good on brown skin. Like, I haven't even placed a lot of product, and I just feel like the pigment is so amazing so far. But I really don't know if I'm just hyping it up because I really love Makeup Shayla, or is this palette really amazing? We'll see. But I wanted to try the dark shade in the palette just to see how it picked up, if it would be patchy or dry. But so far, it's really pretty, and it does blend out nicely. I'm gonna add some of my Sacha Buttercup underneath my eyes just to kind of catch any fallout that I might get. So this is just my Sacha Buttercup. I don't want to ruin my base. That's why like lately I've been doing my eyes first, but I was such in a rush to play with this palette that I had to hurry up and just put on my foundation. All right, so I'm gonna just go in some more with that black shade, gloves on. And this is a Morphe M514 brush. It's super tapered and small, which I really, really love, right? All right, I think I'm done with the black. I'm gonna go back into Culture and Maintenance, and I'm going to just use that to kind of diffuse the edges of that gloves on shade. Reason being, I really want it to be blended out and smoky. I love that dark shade. It's so gorgeous. Like, I'm here for it. For my base, I'm going to use the NYX Multitasker, and I do use this mixing medium under all my shimmers. I just think it makes my shimmers look nice. I'm going to just take this with a MAC 247 brush, which is a really flat brush, as you can see. And I'm going to just cut my crease. Kind of cut my crease. Alright, now that that is there, I kind of like to let that dry a little bit down before I add the shimmers. Alright, somebody just inboxed me about the Sephora Always Red lipstick. Y'all, when I say it's bomb, you won't regret it. Go to Sephora, pick it up. It's super pretty. Alright, let's go ahead and add the pigment. I don't know what I want to do here. Should I do drill? Drill is so normal. I think I'm gonna go with Dead End just to kind of go with my color scheme. It's super gorgeous. Lord. You guys know I'm like so here for gold. All right, now I do want to play with another one of the shades, so I'm going to go in with Hazard in the middle right here. I'm going to place that on my outer lid just to see how it looks. I'm going right over top of Dead End. That's the color of the golden shade. And guys, it is beautiful. Super pretty. They're kind of like overlapping a little bit, which is fine because I don't want to look too out of this world crazy. All right, now let's finish off the rest of the eyes. So I need to put some liner, so I'm going to take this Ruby Kisses liner in Roasted Coffee, and I'm going to place that on my lower lash line to kind of really smoke it out. Like, you see how it like instantly gives me like smoky eyes? And then what I'll do is I'm going to go back in the palette and pick up Maintenance again and run that right on top of that. Now I want to make it a little bit more smoky, so I'm going to go back in with Gloves On, and I'm going to go right on top of that. New mascara alert. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise, and this is by L'Oreal. Super nice. Like, I think this is one of my favorite mascaras at the moment. So I'm gonna go back into the palette, and I'm going to pick up this yellow shade called Caution, and I'm going to place this in my inner corners. See how that looks? Crazy. I never use mattes, so really excited about this. I recently did a video using the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty Sunstalker bronzer, really a contour shade on me. So the collection comes with 2 blushes. There is a pink blush called Whistle While You Work, and then Construct. which is this one. I'm gravitating a little bit more towards this one. Let's see how it looks. Because this collection did not come with a highlighter, I'm going to use the highlighter from her last collection. From her last collection, she came out with the Boomin' highlight, which I absolutely love. So we're going to use that today. I'm going to just first spray my face again with this hydrating setting spray. This kind of really gets me ready for my highlighter. I'm going to take a fan brush and I'm going to dust this baby. The collection does come with 2 liquid lip and liner duos. The first duo is called Speed Up and BFF3, and then the other one is called Slow Down, BFF4. Yeah, I think this one is really dark, so I'm not gonna do this one. I'm not gonna do BFF4, so I'm gonna put that down and use BFF3 on my lips. And I've been dying to try this liner. My Kiss New York Luxury Lip Pencil is my fave, but this might be a new one, I don't know. This one has a really cool tone feel to it. I'm gonna kind of overline my lips. Then I'm going to take Slow Down, which is a really pretty nude. Let's see how it looks on me. I feel like this is real subtle, like chilling. But you know me, I feel like I could never ever do just a matte lip. It always has to be glossy because I'm just a glossy girl. I'm having an Ayesha Curry moment. Like, it's pretty, but it's just not enough. No shade. This would have been pretty with the Fenty gloss, I'm sure. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really am surprised by how much I like this collection, because when Makeup Shayla came out with her first collaboration with ColourPop, I was in love. And if you watch my videos a lot, you guys know that I love Makeup Shayla's collaborations. They just are really brown girl friendly, and I know I'm not that dark, but there are women out there who are darker than me who can use these palettes and they look amazing on their skin tones. I love the fact that this collection was super duper affordable. I think ColourPop is killing it with giving us products that are not only affordable but are of quality. Let's talk about a few of my favorites from the collection. Obviously, the stiller of the show is the Proceed with Caution palette. I think it's beautiful, and because summer is about to get started and I'm going to be traveling, I think it's amazing how you have a mirror and these compact shadows. Here you have some transitional shades. You have that pop of yellow, which I did use in my inner corners, and you have your basic glimmer and glam shades. What I was surprised about this palette is that the formula is really great and pigmented. I thought that the palette that she came out with before was amazing, but I was very shocked and surprised to see how pigmented Caution was, this yellow shade, and Gloves On. It's a shimmery black shade, but when I say that color is so stunning, it could be worn alone or at the corners to smoke out any eye look, and I think that's super important to have. So if you were to get anything from the collection, I do recommend getting the Proceed with Caution palette because it is just that amazing. I really like BFF3. So if you are a lighter skinned girl, or you really just like a really light, very natural lip liner, I suggest the BFF3. I think it's super pretty. And then the Slow Down lipstick is super pretty. That's what I'm wearing right now. I'm really into a really lighter nude, but what I'm realizing is it's okay to just try different stuff. So I really did like that. I haven't tried the Speed It Up shade yet, which looks like this, and I don't know if I will, just because I'm really not into this shade. But the next thing I'll talk about are the 2 blushes that you get with the palette and the lip liners, Whistle While You Work and this shade called Construct. What I really like about these 2 is that you can kind of pair them together. That's what I kind of did because I really wanted to try both of them. If you are a brown skin beauty, Construct would be a beautiful beautiful, beautiful blush on you, and this pink shade is universal for everybody. So the blushes are really cute, and I love the packaging. That's why I have like yellow vibes going on today. I really don't have any complaints about the quality of the products because I just kind of feel like for the price point that ColourPop offers these products, you can't beat it. Like, I got all of these things for less than $50, and I was like excited about that. And plus you can find all types of promo codes and get free shipping if you spend a certain amount, and it just works. So I'm just really excited how the look turned out. I will be doing way more looks using this collection, using a lot of Makeup Shayla's products because I just love them that much. Thumbs up this video if you haven't already. If you would like to see more reviews of products. Thank you for sticking around to the end of this really long video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.